In this lesson, we learn how to draw sign diagrams from a graph. Here is a graph of a function. We will first draw the f of x sign diagram. This tells us if the graph is above or below the x-axis. We first mark the x-intercepts, as this is where the graph changes from being above or below the axis. We have -6, -3, 1, and 7. Before -6, we are above the axis, so we mark a positive sign here. Between -6 and -3, we are below the axis, so we mark a negative sign. From -3 to 1, we are above, so positive. 1 to 7 is below, so negative. And after 7, we are above, so positive. Now we will draw an f-x sign diagram. f-x is the gradient. It tells us if the function is increasing or decreasing. We first mark the turning points. The first is at -4. The next is between -1 and -2 at -1.5. And then we have 5. Before -4, we are going down or decreasing as we go from left to right. We mark decreasing functions with a negative sign on the f-x sign diagram. Between -4 and -1.5, we are increasing, going up from left to right. We mark this with a positive sign on the f-x sign diagram. From -1.5 to 5, we are decreasing, so negative, and after 5, we increase, so positive. This is the f-x sign diagram. Here is another function which contains an asymptote marked with a dotted line. These asymptotes need to be marked on a sign diagram. For the f of x sign diagram, we mark the x-axis intercepts. These are at -6, -4, 1. Then we have the asymptote at x equals 3. Then we have 4 and 9. Before -6, we are above, so positive. Between -6 and -4, we are below, so negative. From -4 to 1, we are above. From 1 to the asymptote of 3, we are below. After the asymptote from 3 to 4, we are above. From 4 to 9, we are below. And after 9, we are above. Now we will make our f-x sign diagram. We mark the stationary points and the asymptote. We have -5, -2, an asymptote at 3, and 6. Before -5, we are decreasing, so negative. From -5 to -2, we increase, so positive. From -2 to 3, we decrease. And after the asymptote from 3 to 6, we decrease. After 6, we increase. These are the f of x and f-x sign diagrams for this function. Visit mathsathome.com for further videos and practice.